We'll guide you through how to create a Gumroad wallpaper. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and head over to the Gumroad website by typing in gumroad.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, click on the Products tab located in the dashboard menu on the left side of your screen. You'll want to click the New Product button, which is usually in the top right corner. This will open up a pop-up window where you can choose the type of product you want to create. Select Digital Product, since we're making a wallpaper. Now, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your product, which in this case will be your wallpaper's title. You can also set the price here. Once you've done that, click on the Next Customize button to move on. Here, you can upload your wallpaper file. Make sure it's in a high-resolution format like PNG or JPG for the best quality. Simply drag your file into the uploader or click to browse your files. After uploading, you can write a description in the description box to give potential buyers more information about your wallpaper. You can also add tags to help people find your product more easily. Once you're satisfied with the description and tags, click the Next Design button. Here, you have the option to customize how your product page will look. You can upload a cover image, which is basically a thumbnail that represents your wallpaper. Make sure it's eye-catching and gives a good preview of what the wallpaper looks like. You can also tweak the color scheme and layout here. Once you're done with the design, click Next Publish to review your product details. Make sure everything looks good. Then you can hit Publish to make your wallpaper available for purchase. Congratulations! You've just created a Gumroad wallpaper. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.